In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can replace a cabin air filter on an F250.
The cabin air filter on one of these 2026 7s or 2018. I'm gonna start by popping this down, and this little thing right here, just gonna pop it out the way like that so it comes out. Have this little tab, just literally just push it with your finger, and then you can press in on these to drop it down all the way. Now when you're down, you can look in and see this is your HVAC box here. Cabin air filter is gonna be in the upper right hand side. You'll see it if you look in deep there. Has a little honeycomb shape right here. To get it out, you're just gonna want to slide your finger here and give it a little push like that, and then just kind of keep feeding your finger around it, and it'll get pushed off. You can't really see what you're doing too well, so you just gotta go off feel. Remember, if something feels like it doesn't want to come out, chances are it's gonna break. And once you get it out like that, you can see here how you just pull on these tabs and work your finger around. Now you can just kind of feel out your air filter, and you can pull that on out. Ooh. This is it. Be sure to remember the way it goes in, which is in like that. Now we can put the new one in. So the airflow goes down. Just gonna slide this on in now. Just gonna feel it out. So you can't really get your whole face in there. Make sure it's the right size, which it is, so it should go right in. Now you can see, once it really goes in, it's pretty much straight in there. So we're gonna take our cover. It goes on this way. So in here, feed it up. So now that it's in, you're basically good. Just close it back up. Be sure to pull this little thing out because it may retract back. Don't freak out. You just pull it in, put it in. These, you'll just kind of squeeze it in. So yeah, this. Oh, you put this on after these. Just remember the order of disassembly. And now you take this, slide down here. It's in. Push it. It's locked. See, you hear that click? Locked in. Close it, and now go and wipe down any hand marks.